For all my friends that want luxurious skin, you need to learn how to use all natural products to make a natural face serum just like this. Let's make this fresh flowers face serum recipe together. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. So let's get started with this recipe. Before I tell you what you'll need for this recipe, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with teaching people how to use their essential oils. That's why with our DIY face care kit, we'll give you all the ingredients you need to make the recipes in this box. Or you can go to simplyearth.com if you're wanting more ingredients. I'm gonna grab my ingredients from my Simply Earth March recipe box. First, I'm gonna grab my big bonus box. I'm gonna find my recipe card, which just happens to be right at the top. First, we're gonna grab our face serum base. Next, we're gonna grab our cute little gusha tool. So these are really great for estheticians, use them a lot of the time, but they will use them to massage your face. It helps with blood circulation. Also, if you wanted to put it in either your fridge or your freezer, you can definitely do that just for an added touch. Next, let's go over our essential oils we're gonna grab. So we are going to grab lemon, geranium, as well as copaiba. Last but not least, we are going to grab our serum bottles from either your home or Simply Earth. Here is the 0.5 milliliter serum bottle, and then this is the 1 ounce. Totally up to you which one you want to use. If you absolutely love this face serum and you wanted to make a larger one, I would go ahead and order this. Otherwise, if you want to use the exact increment, this is the bottle you'd want. This face serum base that we formulated is absolutely amazing. It's great for all kinds of skincare, and you guys are gonna love how much of a useful glow it gives you. All right, for this recipe, we are going to add 1 drop of each of the essential oils. So we'll add 1 drop of copaiba, 1 drop of lemon. It is kind of tricky to just get 1 drop. If you end up putting 2 drops of each oil, that's totally fine. The dilution rate will be just a little bit higher, but it's not a problem at all. So don't stress out if you can't just get the 1 drop. And 1 drop of geranium. So we're gonna fill up the serum bottle the rest of the way with the face serum. This recipe uses a 1% dilution rate, which is perfect for daily use during your skincare routine. All right, I'm gonna take my funnel out, put my little stopper in, and I'm gonna swirl this around so that the face serum and the essential oils are evenly incorporated. All right, to use, we are going to grab our serum bottle. I'm gonna put a little bit on my face. You're gonna use the gua sha to help with circulation and puffiness in your face. You can also put it on your shoulders or your neck. If you have under eye bags like I do in the morning sometimes, you could also put this in your fridge and kind of just like massage underneath your eyes. Feels really good. This recipe makes my skin super smooth and glowing, and I feel like super luxurious and I love it. You can make this fresh flowers face serum too. If you want to turn all natural ingredients into natural recipes just like this fresh flowers face serum, go get your Simply Earth recipe box today. We actually teach you how to unlock the natural powers of all natural ingredients. I'd love to see your creations on social media, so go ahead and take pictures of everything you made from this recipe box and tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag #IMadeThis. When you send us your content, you'll be entered into our monthly $5 gift card giveaway. Follow us for more natural recipes just like this one.